Well, good morning, everybody. What we're doing today is adding a new switch. So we've got it installed in there. That's my buddy Jose. He was on the phone. I didn't want to disturb him. Grace and peace to you from our Lord Jesus Christ and all the saints here in Smoky, Central California. So yeah, we added a new switch here for some expansion that's going on into some old classrooms, our nursing education. They came out into this old spooky trailer. It's been here for a million years. So we got the switch up. It's running. It's connected in. So we got fiber there. We got a fiber. I'll show you. Comes out of the trailer. And the reason it comes out this way is that our engineering guys absolutely will not crawl underneath that because of what might be down there. So what we did, or what they did, is we ran an aerial from the building all the way across over to this older building over here, and then down, if I can't see it, but it does run down that wall and down into the basement, and that's where we're going. Down into the spooky, nasty basement of a very old building. So anyway, this is almost going to be kind of like another day in the life video. So we'll just get over there. We're doing a lot of expansion lately. Like I said, we're adding, I briefly touched on a project for our patient vitals. I'll be talking about that more. Although that'll probably be done by a vendor just because we're very short-handed right now. So anyway, and sorry for the bouncing. My arm is not very stable. But yeah, so that's what's going on. And let me just put this on pause here while I walk so you guys don't get seasick. Be right back. Okay, first of all, I had to come through a patient area. Second of all, I don't want to breathe any of the dust I might kick up down here. All rats vacate the area. All raccoons must vacate the area. Pretty spooky looking place. Especially that door. I don't know where it goes. I don't want to know. Look at all this. Anybody know what that is? I can tell you. All right. So that fiber, as I showed you, comes into this building, runs down the wall, down here into the basement, and is broken out in this fiber panel right here. So we used pairs 1 and 2, and I was going to cross patch it all the way back to my area, data processing area. We've got a new set of fibers here just for that. These guys run back to the data center. And I was going to cross patch it, and I thought, that's really just a temporary thing. So instead what I did was the fiber coming from over there, just patched it right over here into the, and I got a 2-switch stack here. Here's the fibers that connect us back to the data center. So I just use this empty SFP slot up here and plugged it into that switch over there, came right up. So, of course, making sure everything is tagged appropriately, making sure no fibers are getting pinched here. As I close that back up. So there, that was my morning's work. I also went over and did a quick wireless survey for some refrigerator monitors that are going in. Not much to talk about there other than just making sure they have available wireless connectivity. I'll come back and lock that later. Yeah, and other than that, I'm going to probably just do a little more groundwork for the Philips switch replacement project, the patient vitals. And other than that, I'm going to get out of this scary, nasty place. So anyway, yep, another quick video. just trying to give you guys a little taste of what being a network admin is like. Probably the most difficult part of the job is coming down into places like this. Hopefully, your network admin job, you won't have to do that, but I do. So now you can see why I'm so religious. You never know what's waiting for you down here. Look at that door. What the heck is back there? Probably the bodies. No, I'm kidding. So anyway, that's it for this week, you guys. Have a great week, and we'll catch you next time. God bless.